Hello, room 15. I'm really quickly going to show you a video of how to get into the Teams meeting that we will be having tomorrow for back to school night. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into Clever. Now it's going to ask me if I want to log in with Active Directory. You may, at this point, it may ask you if you would it might ask you for the login and password, which I sent everyone. So you should have your child's login and password. You're going to click that. It's going to take you to this nice page called Clever, and we're going to say not right now, Clever. And we're going to go to this little icon right here. This is Office 365, and I want you to click that for me. From Office 365, you are going to go right up here and click Teams. And on your teams, I have several teams. You should probably your child should just have maybe 1 or 2 teams. And actually, you don't even need to go to your team. You can just come right down here on the side on this blue bar right here, hit calendar. And you are going to see this back to school night, and you are going to click that. And it's going to say join. And then you will just join, and it'll pop up and it will ask you, it'll say, do you want to mute yourself? It might mute for you, and then you can mute your face as well. So go ahead and hit that join, and you will join me at our back to school at 5:15 tomorrow. Okay? See you then. Bye-bye.